Two killed in early morning crash along the Spur main road, but did the victim saw his own death as he left a strange message before the accident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
26-year-old Adrian Wilson of Hatfield in Manchester and 19-year-old Jamel Cox of Lincoln were killed in an early morning crash on the Spur main road in the parish, according to a report from the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit. About 1:15 a.m., Wilson was driving a Toyota Mark X motorcar in which Cox was a passenger. Wilson, who is believed to be the owner of a car mart, allegedly lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a utility pole near the intersection of Swaby Hope Main Road and the Spur Main Road. I was not at the scene, but based on what I hear, I heard he was driving and overtook a car and got out of control before crashing into a utility pole, a relative said. A video showed Cox begging for help to release her trapped leg from the mangled car as onlookers offered her words of encouragement. However, it reportedly took more than an hour before she was cut from the wreckage by emergency responders. The two were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Adrian was a nice youth and him full of ambition. The girl was a nice girl too. She wasn't him right woman, but you know how man stay. Me really feel it for both of them. And Adrian just dead and leave him little girl. It really sad, the relative said. Adrian Wilson might have predicted his own death, as there are suggestions that he had a premonition that he would not live to see the day's end. Well, this is what one of his relatives is thinking. The relative said that Wilson had earlier told a friend that, if anything happened to me, take care of my father for me. The Manchester police are still investigating.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.